So hello everyone, today we'll be discussing the LeetCode problem of the day, the minimum distance between the BST nodes. In this problem we are given the root of a binary search tree and we have to return the minimum difference between any two different nodes given in the binary tree. So a binary search tree is a special type of tree in which if we have any value, let's say 4, you have any value, let's say 4, so at the left all the values will be there which are less than 4, let's say 2, then 1 and then 3, and on the right side all the values will be greater than 4. So here everyone will be greater than 4 and here everyone will be like less than 4. So less than 4 not equal to, because we don't keep the duplicate values in the binary search tree. So this is a special property of binary search tree and we want to find the minimum difference between the values of any two different nodes. So if we want to find any two different nodes, nodes, so one possible way is you do a basic DFS. I know like DFS is a very basic thing. This is a DFS. So what you do is you stand on a node, you put its value in a vector or an array, right? Then you call DFS on the left side. If any left side exists, you can call the DFS on the left side. Then you can call the DFS on the right side and then you can sort the array, right? You can sort the array and at the end you can just run a very simple for loop like this and find the absolute difference between the two, because that will give us the minimum difference. This is a very basic thing. I think you should know that when you apply this thing you get the minimum difference in the sorted array. If you want to find between any two values, given an array, if you want to find the difference between any two values, minimum difference, so you just sort it and just iterate and you get this as the minimum answer. But a binary search tree has a special property, and the property is that the in order traversal of binary search tree is sorted order. Now what do I mean by in order traversal? So an in order traversal is we are taught in colleges like by this in order traversal. I had it like in my last semester. So if you want to iterate on any node, you first go to its left child, then you come back to the node and then you visit its right child. So this is in order traversal. Let me show you on this one. So let's say you want to iterate this tree. So what you do is you visit its, let's say you are on the root, this is the root node. Okay, so firstly you will go to the left, so the left is 2. Okay, then you again go to its left till you get the null value. So from 4 you went to 2, from 2 you went to 1. Now you are on 1. 1 has no left child, so you print the node. So the first value that gets printed is 1. Okay, then you come back, you see this 2, so you print 2. Now you check if 2 has any right node. So yes, it has right node, so you go to the right side. Then you print 3, because 3 does not have a left node, so you print the node. It will go on in this order only for every node. You go to the left, you go till the depth and then you print basically the value. You print it or you put it in an array. Okay, so 3 does not have a left child, so 3 gets printed. Then 3 gets printed, you check it's right, it does not have a right child. Then you come back, so 2 is done, 2 का left भी हो गया, node भी हो गया, and right भी हो गया. Okay, then you come back to 4. Now 4, the left side of the 4 is done, so that it's time to print the 4. Okay, now you check if there is any right subtree of 4, so you get, okay, 6 is there. Okay, so 6, now for 6 you will check at the left node, there is no left child, so you print 6. Then you check if there is any right. if there would have been a 8 here, so it would call DFS on 8. So 8, then we'll check कि 8 का left है कि नहीं, then you print 8, but we don't have any 8 in this, so I won't be making it, just to confuse you all. I won't be making. So as you can see, the in order traversal of this gave us a sorted order, and so we don't have to sort it again because we already got a sorted order. So basically you just have, this problem just had 2 steps. Now let me just clear it up. So the number 1 step is write the in order traversal. In order traversal. Then you store in an array. Store in an array, and then you can just easily find the minimum difference. So that's what I did in this problem. I took answer as maximum, then I took a vector int. So vector int is a dynamic array. Then I called DFS on root and the value. So in this I called node, and I passed my vector or using reference, so it does not create many copies of the same vector. It helps reduce the space complexity. So if root is null, then you can just return. Otherwise, if there is a root of left, so root of left, this stands as not equals to null. So if the left subtree is not null, you call the node left. So you call the DFS on left, basically LNR. So you call on left. Now as you have visited left, just insert it in answer. So answer dot push back the value, that is you push the node or insert the node, then you call DFS on right side. So this gives us the vector in sorted order. So let me show you the vector as well. 1 second, I have this, I'll run it. So it will give us the vector in a sorted order, as you can see, in sorted order. Whichever case you consider, it will give us in a sorted order. And then we can easily find the minimum sum. So if I run this, you get the minimum sum. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.